everyone and welcome back to Simply Food. Today we are making baked brie with onion and garlic. Simple, tasty and full of flavor. Let's get started. Take a large sheet of aluminum foil big enough to wrap the brie completely. Lay it flat on your counter, unwrap the cheese from its packaging and place it carefully in the middle, ready for all the toppings. Now for the toppings. Take an onion, cut it in half and slice it into thin pieces. Spread these slices evenly over the brie so every bite gets a touch of sweetness. Next, take some garlic, slice it nice and thin and sprinkle the pieces all over the top and sides. The mix of onion and garlic will fill the kitchen with a wonderful aroma once it bakes. And it gives the brie such a rich, deep flavor. This step really makes the cheese come alive, so don't skip it. Time for the spices. Sprinkle about half to 1 teaspoon of sweet red paprika. Adjust it depending on how strong you like the flavor. Then add 6 to 8 whole peppercorns for a gentle bite. Finally, drizzle a tablespoon of your favorite oil right over the top. The oil helps carry all the flavors into the cheese as it bakes. And it also gives a beautiful shine with the paprika on top. Such a simple step, but it makes the brie look and taste amazing. Now wrap the brie all the way around with foil, folding the ends upwards so everything points to the top. That way it's sealed on all sides and won't leak out while baking. As you can see, our oil is a bit small. Wider foil would make it easier, but this works too. Place the wrapped brie on a baking sheet and bake it in the oven for 30 minutes at 355 degrees of Fahrenheit. When it's done, carefully unwrap the foil. It will be hot, so let it rest a minute if needed. The brie will be soft but still hold its shape until cut. When you slice into it, the cheese will leak out, so be ready. If you are serving several people, move quickly so everyone can enjoy a portion while it's still soft and creamy. And look at that! Absolutely amazing! Serve it with fresh veggies like cucumber, bell peppers or some toasted bread. The combination is simple but so delicious. Bon appetit! If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a like, share it with friends and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.